Hi, fifth grade. Welcome to lesson number 7. So for today's lesson, you're going to need 6 small objects. They can be blocks, they could be Legos, they can be anything you have around your house, but I need 6 of them, and you need 2 stick things. You could use 2 pencils, you could use 2 sticks you find outside, anything you want to, but we will need 6 objects and 2 sticks. Pause right now and go get those items. Great, you're back. You got your things, you're ready to go. So let's start with a little bit of rhythm. 2-finger clap this in your mind while I go get my drum. Remember to use the rhythm language as you're doing that. And what's the form? It's right there, A, B, B, A. So let's take out our hands and clap and say it. Ready, set, and off you go. 2. Did you remember that 4/16 notes go do-da-da-da? That's important to remember. So we're going to try it one more time. Do-da-da-da, do-da. Keep those hands close together so they can go fast for those 16th notes. Ready? And off you go. Do. So let's try one more thing with it. When you get to the 16th notes, instead of playing them here, do-da-da-da, let's put them somewhere easier, and let's put them on our legs. Do-da-da-da, like that. Scooch back a little bit so you can see all of me. Ready? And off you go. Do-da-da-da-do-da-do. Do-da-da-da-do. 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 Okay, let's practice it one more time, putting the do-da-datas there on our leg, the 16th notes. Here we go. Do-da-da-da-do-da. Do-da-da-da-do. Do-da-da-da-do. Do-da-da-da-do-da. Excellent. Nice job, my friends. And now let's do a little bit of singing, because we're going to do some singing and some other stuff today. So let's review our solfege and our pitch ladder here. And we've got the hand signs over there. And you can just copy me what I do. Do, la, so, so, so. Mi, mi, re, re, do, do. Do, re, mi, so, so, so. So, la, 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 do, do. So remember to use your singing voice, which is your nice light kid voice. I'm using my grown-up voice, so it's going to sound a little bit different when you sing it back. Okay, so let's do 2 more. Here I go. Mi so so, mi so so, mi so so, mi so so, mi re re do 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 do, mi re re do 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 do. Yeah. So within those, within that pitch ladder, we have about 5 little blocks that we're going to work with today. 5 building blocks of some melodies that we're going to work with. So we have a green one, an orange one, bluish sort of one, purple one, and a yellow one. So I'm going to sing, and just sing them back to me. That's it. Do, so, la, so. So, sorry. So, la, do, do. Do, re, mi, so. Mi, so, la, so. Do, do, la, so. All right? So make sure you're singing those, because for your assignment today, I'm going to be having you sing these and play them, those 5 building blocks there. So for today, we are going to be in C pentatonic. So if we're in C pentatonic, where is do? Right, it's on the C. And that starts our pentatonic scale with do, re, mi in that group of 3. Group of 2, so and la, and high do is in a group of 3 with so and la there. So this is what I want you to do with your 5 objects, is I want you to make a quick little pentatonic scale. So in front of you, you're going to go, let's see if I can do this. Do, re, mi, so la in a group of 2. then high do in a group of 1 by itself up there. I'm just going to use that high do. We're not going to use high anything else here. I'm going to switch those around so you can really tell the difference between all of my notes. Okay, and then I've got my 2 sticks, right, like this, and I'm going to play something. I want you to play it back to me. Do, re, mi, so. So, la, so, la. Do, so, la, so. Mi, re, do, 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 do. Okay, so we're going to look at those building blocks again. And notice up above, I have the xylophone for you to see. So if you don't remember what the solfege is and where it goes, it's up there for you. So you just have to look there and match it up. Okay? So again, I'm going to go fast through these things. If you need to practice these more, you need to maybe rewind the video and do them as many times as you need to, because this is going to be your homework tonight. So here I go. I'm going to play some patterns, and then you're going to sing them and play them back to me. I'm going to start with this high do. Do, so, la, so. About the orange one. So, la, do, do. Mi, so, la, so. Do, re, mi, so. Do, do, la, so. Great. So now I'm going to change my xylophone into a real xylophone. Okay, so here I go. You can see it just like that. I'm going to play, and I want you to play your objects back at me. I wonder if you can tilt it just a little bit, if you can see my face while I do this. Get that back up a little bit. That doesn't help. All right, here I go. Echo this back to me, starting on this high do. Do, so, la, so. So, la, do, do. Mi, so, la, so. Do, re, mi, so. Do, do, la, so. Okay, I'm going to go through them one more time, and then I'm going to show you what you're going to do for your homework, and then we're going to end off with a little bit of yoga today. Here I go with the green one. Oh, you know what? I'm going to go backwards this time. I'm going to start with the yellow one. Do, do, la, so. Do, re, mi, so. Mi, oops, sorry. Mi, so, la, so. So, la, do, do. Do, so, la, so. Okay. So, like I said, if you need to go back and practice those a little bit more, I suggest you go do that. Because here is what I want you to do now. You are going to use this virtual xylophone again, and you're going to press the letter C to make it C pentatonic. And then you are going to play all 5 of those building blocks one at a time on this xylophone. So if you look at it, 8 is going to be your high do. Right? And then 1 is going to be your low do. Do, re, mi, so. I'm going to turn that up so you can hear a little bit better. I'll try it again. So here's my high do, starting on 8, and here's my low do starting on 1. Do, re, mi, so. So you're going to figure out how to play all 5 of those building blocks in Seesaw using this virtual xylophone. Okay? Super easy, no worries. So you can go to Seesaw and do that now, or you can spend a little bit extra time and do some yoga with me. So we're going to start with a little bit of breathing exercise. This is called the rubbing hands breath. So I want you to take your hands and rub them together like you're trying to warm them up. You're going to breathe in through your nose, and then you're going to blow into your hands to breathe out. And as you're breathing in, I want you to slow your hands And then as you blow into your hands and breathe out, I want them to speed up and really get that energy in there. Okay, so breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. One more. Breathe in. Excellent. So I'm going to turn on some music, and we're just going to go through a very quick basic sequence of 4 poses, and hopefully that'll just help you relax, center yourself, and then be ready for your seesaw assignment. So I'm going to point this up because we're going to stand up to do this. Okay, the first one is just a simple mountain pose, where you're standing with your feet out shoulder width apart, and your hands are facing out like this. You breathe in, and breathe out to let it settle. This time when I breathe in, my hands are going to come up above my head, and I'm going to take a slight back bend. Breathe in here, breathe out, come back to mountain. Okay, let's try that again. Breathe in, back bend, breathe out, back to mountain. Okay, those are our first 2 poses. The third one, you're going to take your feet a little bit wider than your legs, and then have your arms out like this. This is called star pose. So take a breath here. Let your body settle. Breathe in again. And out. From this star pose, you're going to take this foot right here, turn it pointing that way, and just lean a little bit forward. Hands come out like this for warrior. Really bend into that front knee. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in to star. Breathe out to warrior. Okay, so relax that. I'm going to take you through a sequence of all 4 of those. Okay, so we're going to start with mountain, waterfall, star, and warrior. Okay, so go with me. So we start here, breathe in, and out. The next breath in, hands come up, gentle back bend. And as you breathe out, your feet come apart into star. Breathe in here, turn your foot, breathe out into warrior. Settle here for 1 breath. On your next inhale, back to star. Exhale. Breathe in, waterfall, feet together. Breathe out to mountain. Do that sequence 1 more time now that you know what's coming. Breathe in. Feet go wide, breathe out to star. Breathe in, turn your foot out, and warrior. Take 1 breath here. On your next inhale, turn your feet in. Exhale to star. Breathe in, out. Breathe in to waterfall, and breathe out to mountain. Close your eyes here and just breathe in 1 time and out. Thank you, friends. Hope you're feeling a little bit more relaxed, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with for your building blocks, showing me those on Seesaw. Until next time, have a good week, everyone.